What's good, everybody? It's Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com, and you are watching the third episode of Can It Be Chopped? This is the series where we take the most unchoppable samples and we get to chop. Y'all go ahead and submit the sample of choice. And let me just say something before we get into today's episode. Y'all have been sending me some great ideas for samples, but they ain't really been challenges in terms of can it be chopped. I mean,
yeah, it can be chopped. It's a great sample choice. Great choice. It's awesome. But
what I really want is a challenge. And somebody happened to give me a challenge today. This gentleman by the name of Calvatron said, here's a great change. You know something crazy about to happen when somebody say, here's a great change. He said, sample nails scratching on a chalkboard and make it not hurt your ears. Babe, nails on a chalkboard?
I don't know if you can do it.
What? You doubting your mans? Yeah. Y'all here doubting me. Okay, now I don't know about you, but I hate the sound of nails on the chalkboard, and this is obviously going to take a lot of filtering and figuring it out. But I was looking right now. Let's go on the screen. I was looking right here at a few different ones. There's one that's an hour of yeah. I'm not listening to that one. Let's see what this one sounds like. I hate you. I hate you. Why would you do that? How do you do that? Oh Lord. All right, I put the headphones off my ears specifically. Ooh, look at this one with the long nails. Let's see what this one. I know this gotta hurt. Ooh, and they got extra sounds on it. You ain't got no heart. I'm not sampling that. No. I'm looking for something with a little bit of tone in it. Like a little bit of tone or something that I can flip around. Oh, this one got some crazy little writing. Let's see this one. Ooh. Okay, that has to. Oh. Okay, yeah, that's the one. So we downloaded the sample. Something new that I'm doing for every episode here on out is that I'm listening to the sample first, because I think it cuts too much into the creative process when I have to listen to the entire duration. Sometimes you guys send samples that are like 10 minutes plus. So I kind of feel like it takes away from the process if I'm listening to the sample and trying to chop in between. So, all right, my love. So 10 on the clock. You got it ready for me?
Got it.
Wish me luck. We about to figure this thing on out.
Ready? Set, go.
Oh my God. Oh my God, that sound is terrible. Oh my God, what is wrong with this suggestion, Lord? Okay, this is definitely gonna be a challenge. What key is that, Lord? Okay, that's in D. Let's go ahead and lace that up. We can do one of those like this. Why not?
8 minutes.
Let's see what this metronome I'm hitting for. Yeah, let's do that. Keep that. Let's actually only repeat this twice. Ugh, this is such a nasty looking sound. Let's see if there's anything else I can get from this. Maybe use it as a different instrument or whatnot. Let's see. Okay, so maybe we can use this. If I loop that around, maybe we can use that as a pad, I'm thinking. Okay, so we already got that lead. Thank you, my love. I hear you back there. All right, so we got that. Let's exit out of there. There's nothing else there that I even want to remotely hear. Lord Jesus. Okay, let's get some of that going. So I'll probably take this, run it through a filter of its own. Let's do sort of a reverb, see what that does. I use that as a hi-hat, cool. Just throw a little mix on there. Look at that. 5 minutes. Actually, let's clone that. Let's do that. One more time. All right. Cool. Let's do another channel. Let's do drums on this now.
3 minutes, 53 seconds.
Yeah, it's getting exciting now. Yep, that's all I need to hear. So let's get that going. Oh, one more time. Oh, okay, okay.
3 minutes.
How much time?
1 minute, 26 seconds.
Let's try the hi-hat situation.
One minute.
1 minute. Good question. I didn't say it's gonna be the prettiest thing in the world, but I said it can be chopped. That is what fingernails on a chalkboard can end up sounding like.
What is wrong with Curtis?
I have no idea. I've been with him for many years and I still don't know what's wrong with him. Can it be chopped? Yes, it can be chopped. Thank you for such a crazy suggestion. She's so non-interested. She over here watching her vlogging videos all over top of the video. Like, not even care. Like, what about my channel, baby? What about my channel? She's so disinterested, but thank you for this crazy literally.
Can I hear it?
You want to hear it again?
I want to hear it.
Okay. And that started from this. Can it be chopped? Y'all know what to do. Go back down in them comments and give me something else that cannot be chopped. I chopped that sample up. I chopped it up real good. Shout out to the Hodge twins. If y'all enjoyed that, please subscribe down to the channel below. If you got anything that you need to get chopped up, pause. If you got any sample that you think can't be chopped, send it to your boy. Stop sending me these samples that y'all think, oh my God, this is gonna be such a dope beat. I ain't looking for a dope beat. I'm looking for something that's not chopped. I'm trying to show y'all that anything can be chopped. Feeling myself. Once again, this is Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com. Please subscribe to the channel below, Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com.